Alright, so here is the voltage regulator and brush set from the alternator. I got this one in 1197-311-022, and I couldn't find that one. But what I did find was this 028, not 022, 14 volt. Same brush setup, except that the resistor here is not on this one. So, and this one does not have a contact right here. So I am going to spray this, clean this off, desolder that, and then I'm going to fit it on here. The footprint appears to be exactly the same. So let me go grab my soldering station. I'll clean this off and come back and we'll swap that over. Tip's dirty. All right, there's one. Two. Put a little flux. We got some Kester wire solder here, flux core. Unfortunately, we don't have a contact on this side. So I'm going to have to bridge from here to here. Let's see, what do we got up here? How about some copper wire? Take 3 strands. Actually, 2 ought to be enough. Take 2 of these strands and twist them like that. I should have my fume extractor over here. There we go. Now I just need to install that into the alternator. Come on, push forward. There we go. A lot more brush there, so the springs are a lot stiffer. Done. This is ready to go back on. I've got to get new bolts. M10 by 70 with thread on the end. Got some skinny bolts in here just holding it for now. A smooth operation. You can test this by, and I tested it with this car battery. You need to hook up 12 volts to the small bolt here and then ground the chassis, and then you can test with your voltmeter, ground to case, and then positive to the big bolt, and spin it with a drill counterclockwise. I did it, it produced 15 volts, which is pretty much what it's supposed to do. So working good. Also threw some paint here on the water pump pulley, kind of balance it out, black, silver, and red. Next up's the AC compressor, which I have to clean and get all of the dye out of.